Hi guys, welcome back to Watch the Stream, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to actually create a productive routine and how to actually stick to it. Okay, so I know सबसे मेजर प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है that we all make a routine for ourselves, like daily or weekly routine हम लोग हमेशा बना लेते हैं and we ended up not following it. Like हम लोग एक दिन follow करते हैं and उसके बाद we don't ended up following it. And it used to happen with me as well. That's why I'm totally relating with you all. So recently in September I came across to a vlog जिसमें उस ब्लॉग में उन्होंने प्रॉपरली मेंशन कर रखा था दैट हाउ टू एक्चुअली क्रिएट व्हाट इज द राइट स्टेप्स टू क्रिएट अ रूटीन एंड हाउ टू स्टिक टू इट एंड आई फॉलोड दैट ब्लॉग एंड आई मेक अ रूटीन according to that vlog. And from October, September, November, December, October, November, December, January. It's been 4 months, guys, and I'm following that routine very, very, very effectively. In this video, I'm just going to tell you all what are the correct steps to make a productive routine for yourself. And so, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. 'Cause I'm not just a pretty girl. So the very first step in the process of creating your routine is you just have to jot down everything that you have to do on that particular day on a piece of a paper or you can also type it on your laptop or and wherever you find it useful. And once you have done, like, you have to jot down everything that you have to do, like, okay, and once you have done that, now coming on to the second step, that is you have to prioritize the things. Like what happens कि when जब लिखने की बारी आती है तो we write everything that you have to do, like मैं ये भी कर लूँगी, मैं वो भी कर लूँगी, मैं डांस भी कर लूँगी, मैं वर्कआउट भी कर लूँगी, मैं क्लासेस भी कर लूँगी, मैं एडिटिंग भी कर लूँगी. And guys, let me tell you this, to be very, very, very practical, doing so much of a things in one day is not possible at all. And so the second step, that is prioritize everything, comes in a handy. That is, so for that, what you have to do, once you have jot down everything that you have to do on that particular day, and then you have to prioritize your things accordingly to that. Like, though you have to prioritize most important things that you have to do on next day or that particular day, वो आप इसको सबसे पहले prioritize कर लो. And likewise prioritize everything accordingly. Like if I would give an example, so on Thursday I have to post a video for my YouTube. So for that, the most important thing for me is I have to edit that video as well. So सबसे ज़्यादा important thing मेरे लिए हो जाता है editing. So I have to do editing for my video, and that is the most important thing, so that I can upload that video on Thursday, that is on Tuesday. So that I can upload my video on Thursday, that is on tomorrow. So I think you guys got it what I want to say. And once you have analyzed everything, like what you have to do on a day, you have prioritized everything, that what is the most important things for that particular day that you have to do. And now coming on to the third step, that is the most important step, and this is the step where magic happens, that is time blocking. So literally you have to give a particular time to your thing or your work that you have to do on next day. Like जैसे मैंने अभी example दिया that I have to do editing for my video on tomorrow, that is on Thursday, so that I can upload my video in the evening. Okay, so मैं क्या करूँगी, I will give some time to editing, like I should say from 11 AM to 1 PM I will give. So I will give like 11 AM to 1 PM. I will give that time for my video editing, so that in the evening I can upload my video. So likewise you have to do the same. You have to give time for your each and every work, that is called time blocking. Okay, so say, and if I would give you another example, like in the morning you have to do workout, or you have to do some office work, or you have to do some homework, like whatever you have to do. So all I want to say is just devote some time to your work or the things that you have to do on that particular day. And having said all this, please don't copy others. Like please don't copy others. Like समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि हम लोगों ने यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देख लिया दैट ओ दैट पर्सन इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 10 to 1 PM 10 to 1 PM, तो मैं भी उस टाइम में मैं भी पढ़ाई करूँगी। गाइज लेट मी टेल यू, मैं हमेशा यही करती थी अपने स्कूल के टाइम में, एंड वो नहीं होने वाला है, लिटरली वो नहीं होने वाला है। अगर आप देख रहे हो कि कोई बंदा या बंदी सुबह में वर्कआउट कर रहा है तो आप बोलोगे अरे ये तो सुबह में वर्कआउट करता है, दैट्स वाई दैट पर्सन इज मोर फिट, तो मैं भी सुबह में वर्कआउट करूँगी। सो गाइज लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, ऐसे नहीं होने वाला अनलेस एंड अनटिल, बिकॉज हर पर्सन का बॉडी फंक्शन जो है वो अलग अलग है। मे बी वो पर्सन जो है वो सुबह में वर्कआउट करना प्रेफर करता है बिकॉज उसका बॉडी जो है वो सुबह में अच्छा फंक्शन करता है, एंड इफ़ आई वुड ट्राई टू कॉपी दैट पर्सन तो आई मे नॉट बी एबल टू डू द सेम, बिकॉज in the morning I'm super lazy kind of a girl. So I think you all got it what I want to say. So what let's just conclude everything that what I have said is, first you have to jot down everything, then you have to prioritize everything, and then you have to give a proper time, that is time blocking, and then you have to do time blocking, and once you are done and then you get the habit of doing the things accordingly, और फिर क्या होगा, फिर आप उस चीज़ को जल्दी जल्दी कर पाओगे, and then you can save much more time for yourself. और फिर उसके बाद क्या होगा, आप कोई another habit और कोई extra curricular activities अपने routine में फिर वापस से add कर सकते हो once you get the habit of doing everything on a one day. So in this way I think this way would help you all, because this way is helping me for a while now, and I think this is the very nice way to make a routine for ourselves. That's why I shared this process to you all guys, and I hope you guys like it, and if you really liked it then subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below कि मैं और क्या कर सकती हूँ, what are the other ways to make a productive routine for ourselves. अगर आपके पास और भी productive way है तो please tell me, and so that I can also get the help.